I woke up in the middle of the night. Na-na-na. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na-na-na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all. It is hard to share my thoughts. Ooh, na-na-na. It's like hiding a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me. But I know that you need it all. Ooh, na-na-na. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know that you're staying. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. Oh, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
My dearest James, I am filled with joy standing by your side on this special day. I feel so lucky to have already lived 9 years with you. From our very first date on Valentine's Day, which was quite ambitious, our connection was undeniable. I had never felt so at ease with someone. Over the years, we grew up not only as individuals, but as a couple in ways I could never had imagined. You are a kind, funny, thoughtful, and passionate man who always strives to be the best version of themselves. You are my best friend, my love, who keeps me singing, smiling, and laughing. Every day, your unconditional love and support continue to give me strength to overcome life's obstacles. You continuously inspire me by embracing your uniqueness and by your eagerness to learn about others in the world. And most of all, with you, everything feels possible. Today, it was important for me to tell you how much I love you in front of your loved ones and to promise you that I'll always be there by your side. I vow to support you in the pursuit of your dreams, no matter how big, and to cherish every moment by your side, no matter how small. You are everything that I ever dreamed of and everything that I'll ever need. I love you always.
Today, I stand with you filled with love and gratitude. You are my partner, my best friend, and my soulmate. I treasure your good humor, your grace, and your perseverance. What began as a bold first date on February 14th has taken me down the river beside the canoe and led me up the mountain beside the horse. And I have only ever cherished the path by your side. I vow to you, I promise to continue to embrace our journey together. I vow to love and support you, to stand by your side, whatever the weather, and to always be your partner and your friend. I promise to listen to you, to communicate openly and honestly, and to always respect you for who you are. I'll be your rock when you need support, an attentive ear when you need to share your heart, and your partner through all of life's endeavors. Like 5 and 13, we shall remain indivisible by all other factors. Isabelle, you are my everything. I will love you fiercely, deeply, and without reservation, for all time. I'm excited for all that lies ahead of us, and I am honored to share it with you. I love you more than words can express.
Bonsoir, chers invités. J'ai le bonheur de prendre la parole pour prononcer un discours en l'honneur des mariés et tout plus spécialement en tant que la mère de la mariée. Isabelle a été pour moi un trésor dans la vie. Elle m'a permis d'apprendre, de découvrir le rôle de mère et de vivre ensemble de belles aventures. Pour vous la présenter et partager quelques anecdotes, j'ai décidé de faire un clin d'œil au cours d'anglais de son école primaire d'Épins. Les demoiselles d'honneur se souviendront de ces fameux projets Book in a Bag, que je nommerai pour l'occasion Memories in a Treasure Box. J'ai donc choisi quelques objets significatifs qui représentent certaines facettes d'Isabelle, ses qualités, ses intérêts, ses rêves et notre lien si précieux que l'on a développé.
Okay. First, I would like to express my heartfelt congratulations to James and Isabel on your marriage. Your love and commitment to each other is truly inspiring, and I'm happy to see you starting this next chapter in the story of your life together. As a stepfather, I want to thank James for the privilege of being a part of his life. I've watched James grow into the kind, intelligent, and hardworking man that he is today, and I'm very proud of him and all that he's accomplished.
James is a people person. You can count on him for advice, support, and a helping hand. He makes time for people and can explain just about anything, even to his dear mother. Like what it means when you hear that the polar ice caps are flattening, or how an airplane wing is tested to withstand 1.5 times its breaking point.
Isabelle et James, comme vous l'avez sans doute noté, ont beaucoup de choses en commun. J'aimerais en partager deux avec vous qui m'apparaissent particulièrement évidentes. La première, leur loyauté, leur fidélité en amitié. James, you know your friends and your best men for decades. Quant aux 5 demoiselles et dames d'honneur qui nous font l'honneur de leur présence, il y en a 3 que je connais depuis la maternelle. Jacinthe, Nadia et Mélissa. Quant à Valérie et Cynthia, c'est au secondaire au collège Samuel Genet qu'elles se sont jointes à ce club de joyeuses luronnes. Elles étaient hautes de même, elles ont grandi et sont maintenant des jeunes femmes épanouies. Sauf peut-être Jacinthe. Pas que tu ne sois pas épanouie, Jacinthe, loin de là. Bien au contraire. Non, c'est la première partie de ma phrase. Elles ont grandi. Ne t'en fais pas, Jacinthe. Regarde ma mère, qui est là-bas, la grand-mère d'Isabelle. Un bon 5 pieds bien mesuré. Messieurs, mesdames, si vous pensez que c'est votre génération, les filles, qui a débuté la promotion d'égalité homme-femme, détrompez-vous. C'est pas parce que tu mesures 5 pieds que tu peux pas inculquer des valeurs d'égalité et être à l'avant-garde.
I knew James was the one because every time Isabel and I spoke, she referenced him on every topic. It was always, yeah, James likes, or, well, James said. It didn't take me long to realize that she was madly in love and that one day we'd be here. They complement each other in the most perfect way and bring out the best in each other. The way that you look at Isabel shows me how you truly adore her and would do anything to see her smile. Thank you for showing Isabel what true love is.
I met James first. We met at work, and I wasn't quite sure what to make of James initially. He was very different from all the people there. In hindsight, you know, it was refreshing to meet someone like him. But he stood out in a big way, actually. I remember coming down one day for lunch, and he was at the table with all the guys, and he was going through his $1 lunch craze. And he was at the table talking to all the bigwigs at Long Hill, explaining, you know, all the benefits of producing a $1 lunch. And he knew, like, the incremental costs of a complete sandwich, like every component, he knew what they were worth, and he had cataloged, you know, the caloric value for all these things and the nutritional sort of attributes of everything in the sandwich and other lunches that one could prepare in under $1. I don't think the guys there were very amused by this, but I took note right away. I said, you know, this guy knows things, and I said to myself, yeah, I really got to get to know this guy.
Good evening, everyone. Bienvenue et merci pour votre présence. We are so blessed to be surrounded by the people who have cheered us on and supported our love story from the very beginning. And now, as we enter our next chapter, we are so grateful for the opportunity to have shared this moment with you as well.
We would especially like to thank our parents and grandparents, Deborah, Dave, Jean. Your unwavering love and support expressed clearly tonight mean the world to us, and we can't thank you enough for the example and guidance you have provided throughout our lives.
Un grand merci à nos parents et grands-parents, Daniel et Alain, Denis et Claudine, Thérèse et Louis-Georges. Merci pour vos conseils et de nous avoir transmis de si belles valeurs familiales. Votre amour, votre soutien et votre présence ce soir nous touchent grandement.
We also want to thank our wedding party, who have put their love, thoughtfulness, and care into ensuring our wedding day turned out just as we imagined. Nadia, thank you for your beautiful comments to Isabelle.
I hope it never goes away.